We've checked the gearboxes on the house. It's prints all over. This is all for the beer. Let's see